Hey fam, it's me Haley, and today I'm gonna be making slime, so let's get to it. Guys, I'm gonna make my slime, so the ingredients are glue, borax mixed with water, spoon to mix, a container to put. We added some little more touches, some sand, some foam balls, and some color. So first we need to put the glue in the bowl. And guys, this is the example. That should be enough for now. So that's, we have to put the amount of glue we want slime to be. And then now we take our spoon. This is the mixed borax. We don't need a lot. So first we put a little bit, just a little, like a few drops, and then mix. I'm just playing with my slime. Okay. But you see that it's a little forming. A little bit more stickier. So you see, right, it's a little bit more stickier. And I add a little more borax again. Keep repeating this until your slime is done. See, this is the stickiness. So first, put a little bit borax again. And then just mix. Do you need gloves? No, I'm good. Wait, could you actually get one pair for me, please? Okay. Bring my slime. So guys, this slime is almost done. Just have to keep mixing with the borax. Keep mixing it like that, and then like make sure to put other. Oh, it's a little blue. Right, okay. And then like if you little fancy, they can add a little bit more. Don't put too much. If you put it all at one time, it's gonna be really hard. Right, sis? Yes. But so actually, Victoria really knows how to make slime, and I don't. So she has to teach me later. Right, Victoria? Yes, that is a big problem. Now you use your hands or a glove that I'm preparing. Take your hand. I wish I could bring this to school. Can you give me one more glove? It's okay, you can use your hands. You grab it, then put it on your hand, they fill. And then just gonna be mixing it like so. And soon, later, it's gonna be fantastic. Whoopsie. I put a little too far. So guys, I need to get my gloves off. Can you help me take off my gloves? Thanks. Without gloves, it's more better. Because I'm used to making a lot of slime without gloves. Now it's like this, so. Now, well, it's not yet slime. Not slime. More like a clamp. Yeah. It's gonna be slime soon, so. I'm making a big bubble. Okay, and later you guys have to hear the sound. So guys, when later is boiling, later when it's Haley and Jen's turn, they will already have a white slime. They don't need to repeat what I do. The whole thing that I show you guys. Okay, so guys, did my slime is done. So let's just put the bowl away. Don't mind how I wasted a lot of glue. This is the slime now. It's really sticky. Like, do you need help? No. If you touch this, you'll be stuck in this forever. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, so guys, this is some scent. The scent smells so good. I'm not gonna take 1 hour to pick it. It smells so good right now. So I'll just arrange it while Victoria's there. Don't mind my fingers, they're good. Oh my god, some of these have no names. Like, it's a mysterious surprise. So guys, this is already become a slime. Look. Well, sticky one. This slime turned out real sticky. This is slime, so oh, there's 2 green tea. Green tea. I need it. Green tea. I'm gonna put the sound last. I'm gonna put the scent last. So it depends what I'm gonna do. Scent is the last part. So, oh, my favorite. So, yeah. I need to clean my hands. And you are just like so guys, I have my slime now. Guys, hey sis, look. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice feeling. Okay, I'll just rub up. Just hold on a sec. My hands are so sticky. The Haley's doing that there. I'm now gonna put away all the things that I don't need, like this borax, plastic spoon. So like smooth things. Let's grab the second box. So this is the slime. It's really good. See. Okay, now I'm gonna just like add like a color. I chose this turquoise and then like and I don't know how it's gonna turn out because this color is quite dark and then this slime is white, so it could turn out really good. And then like this. Just a little. I'll be coloring it now. Just a little, like that, like that. Close up. This is the turquoise that I choose. Not just like gonna mix it. The color is turning, guys. Oof. Tiramisu. What tiramisu? Do you want to eat tiramisu? Nope. Damn. The scent? Yeah. Okay. Oh, guys, I love this color. I think I add a little bit too much, but it's okay. So guys, I got this really nice green color. Wow, that's teal. Yeah, I know, right? From a green, you can have teal. Like, guys, this is not barely even the same color. So guys, I'm done mixing. This is the color. I love it. So we're just gonna. So guys, I have 2 options. I can choose like the really tiny foam balls and the big ones. So, sis, what do you think? I am gonna pick the tiny one. So I'll put this. That's very hard to clean, sis. This. No, let go. Oh, whoopsie. You're gonna clean up this mess. Let me just do that. Stop. Sorry, sis. Now I just want to pour it. That should be enough. Whoa. For now. Oh my god. I'm just gonna like. Oh my god. Okay guys, so that's not enough. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Barely seeable. mountain. It's snow. This is James' line before.
Yeah, I made it already. No.
You mean I made it for
Oh, yeah.
you? I'll just. Oh my gosh. Because this is the slime.
Hey, you're crushing my fish
Oh my
balls
God.
in here.
Oh my
Crushing my
god.
slime.
It's insanely really
Look.
pretty.
Yeah,
Hey, this ball is small. So guys.
can you see my slime?
Yeah, this is James' line. Okay.
Kind of icky.
Just gonna pick up all the foam using that.
Oh, your slime is so satisfying.
Oh no, there's some dirt over here. Nope.
Yay, now you are a noob.
Guys, this is my slime now. This is the finished product.
Dark.
Yeah, okay, now I'm gonna add my scent. So guys, now I'm gonna be putting the scent over here. Is it that's all? Yeah, it's all. So, do you want peppermint? I'll smell it. You had to say. Peppermint. I put it in choice. Choice. This is my choice here. I put it there. There's only one peppermint here. What is cocoa? Not waffle. Now this. What's this? Tiramisu. I don't like tiramisu. Ew. It smells good. Smells like coffee. Ew, I don't like the tiramisu. I'm gonna pick peppermint and then I'm gonna add, like, mix them all. What is this?
This is peppermint.
This is mysterious one. Guys, I got mysterious one. There's no label. Ooh, what is this? Coconut waffle. What's that? I don't know. Oh, I can't even open this. Green tea! Guys, I found green
It
tea!
smells like
Nuh-uh.
mashed potato.
Green tea? Yes. But
It
you
is
use green tea on your last slime. I'll put it both. It doesn't matter.
Okay, let's just
No,
choose two.
not two. I'm gonna pick a lot. Bubble
You're
gum.
gonna waste it though.
What is banana?
Banana.
It doesn't even smell like banana.
I'm gonna smell
I don't like.
bubble gum.
I don't like tiramisu. Ice cream, vanilla, butter,
This
oil.
is your another.
This is like this my
This
old
smells so
slime.
good.
This is my old. It smell like medicine.
It smells like bubble gum.
No.
I'm
Like,
gonna
this
use
is
this
my
as my
old one versus the new one. The new one's much better. What's the pink stuff in my slime? I don't know. I'll just mix it. Okay. This is way much cooler. I'll just dump this in the rubbish bin next later.
I'm gonna take it because
I did not let you take it, you know.
you see you're gonna throw it, so I get to take it.
Dropped it, gorgeous. Ah. Ooh, a peach and a pineapple. Lychee. Why am I picking like all white stuff?
Yeah, because they smell good.
Pineapple. I'm gonna put pineapple here. Lychee too. Give me all the white stuff and put it here. I need to smell all the white stuff, all the clear stuff. Peach doesn't smell that good.
Can you stop choosing already? Look how much she chose.
Last one.
No. Okay, that's enough.
Hey, no.
I'm taking everything away.
No! Let me pick one more and put it in here. One more. I told you I was gonna take 1 hour. What is this? It's a mysterious.
You seriously put slime on it. Take it out.
Okay, whatever. I don't want it anymore. Let's move it. We have our baby over here.
And let's move the camera closer.
There you go. Okay, now let's put the scent. The 4 scents, the 4 elements into my slime.
I'm gonna disappear.
I'm gonna put 2 of everything. So peppermint, I'll put 3. Because I like peppermint. 1, 2, 3
Did I
drops.
disappear?
3 drops. I'm gonna put 3 drops and that's it. Ooh, that smell though. I'm gonna put lychee 2 drops. 1, 2, 2 drops. What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm disappearing.
Oh, do you guys see the pink stuff? There's pink stuff everywhere. No, guys. No. My slime has been pink. No, if slime touches water, it becomes like, sticky. Yes. Oh no, his system breaks.
Told you not to put so much.
What? Maybe he doesn't like lychee.
Oh no.
Oh no, guys, I'm hiring.
See you.
Oh, guys.
Rest in peace.
Who? Your slime. This one? No.
Drop Dead Gorgeous. Ah.
Who's Drop Dead Gorgeous?
I don't know. Me.
Haha, lol.
How dare you? Who said 3, 2, 1? Okay, are you done, Victoria? It's my turn, right?
I haven't put green tea and pineapple
Are you
in.
serious?
I just put 2 in the holes. I make a hole.
Found out.
2. I think he likes lychee. Please.
What lychee is green tea?
Oh, he likes it.
Well, are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Disappear already. Nobody can see me already.
For real? I can see you.
Are you ready? Dun,
2 drops.
dun, 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 dun,
1,
dun,
2.
dun, 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 dun.
He likes pineapple. Well, he likes peppermint, he likes green tea, he likes pineapple, but he hates lychee. Like,
Are you done?
no.
Come on.
Why is there blue things in here now?
Transportation.
Hear the satisfying sound.
Teleportation. Are you seriously done?
Hear the satisfying sound. 1, 2, 3. Okay, done.
This is the finishing slime.
Not yet the finishing.
Come on.
You know what I haven't done?
What?
Let's put the caramel in. So let's keep. Hope this slime fits in this stinking bottle.
I just gonna have to use a pencil to fit it in. Oh, your hair.
Oof.
Are you sure you can fit it in? She just took it out. Technical difficulties. So guys, now it's my turn and I'm gonna get some glue.
I'm still struggling to get this in, by the way.
I think I'm just gonna put the hole. Okay, last time I made slime is failed. So Victoria, any tips?
Do it yourself.
But you have to teach me.
Do I have to make it for you?
Yes.
You gotta be kidding. Then get out of my way.
Fine, I'll make it myself.
No, you have to mix it. The activator. Use the back of the spoon then.
Oh, I'm making a big mess.
Let me help.
I'm a baby.
Done.
Hey, I can do it myself. I'm 10. Ah. Oh, what is this thing? What's this? Ew.
I don't think that the borax powder is enough, so.
I have to mix it. Oh my god. Victoria, give me more.
Is that better?
A little bit.
Enough.
I know. I'm not a baby.
Okay, you asked me to teach you, so that's done teaching, right?
Yeah,
Ow!
I guess so. Now I have to add more, but oh my gosh.
I just thought about this and then it's like, I want to play it now. I don't have to take it out.
Ah! Oh, it still hurts.
What hurts?
Just now a glue stick to my hands.
Glue and you peel it.
Yeah, of course. What else would you do? Leave it there.
Yeah. That's what I would do.
Definitely no.
Wait, where's the container?
So guys, I'm going in and I'm
Dumping. Wait.
I can mix more.
Yeah.
Why did I just waste it? My time just like. Do I need more activator? I think I do.
Let me help. Mix.
Yep.
Let go.
I can do it myself. I'm not a baby.
Okay, stop.
Okay, I'm done. I don't need activator anymore.
You need one drop. Left.
Fine.
Done. Mix. Okay, now your slime is done.
It's not done. It's not done.
Mix it. You're not supposed.
Uh-oh.
How do I teach you? What do you learn in slime class?
I don't have slime class. That's the problem.
You need to take my slime class. My.
That's why I don't know.
Guys, I really hate my old slime.
Bro, you're just showing it to me in front of when I'm making.
Okay, I'll go play with my dog. Wait, no, I jump.
Oh, Victoria, help! I can't, seriously. Victoria! Victoria! Help me, help me, help me, help me, help me.
Well, you just said that is enough teaching.
No, I mean like steering and all, but this is different. This is you have to teach me a technique.
Let go. Give me.
I know how to make it already. Oh, you see, it's coming together. Actually, it's not. There's gonna be a fail. Ah, my neck hurts. Victoria, is this good texture?
Yes, what?
Is this good texture?
Let it go first. Let it go.
Ooh.
This is bad texture.
I can save it, I'm sure.
Put it in the slime and mix it. It'll be very rough. Now mix.
Bruh, you just... Are you serious? Oh, I'm tired of mixing. Victoria! Help me.
I'm the master of the slime. Right?
Why did I even do this?
Yeah.
My slime is
Good texture.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeet.
B minus.
What? I have to mix it more. It's sticking to my hands. I must make it not stick to my hands. Victoria!
I'm running.
Why is there seriously pink?
Okay, let me help you put pink then.
No, it's mine. So guys, I think I'm done. I'm just gonna take my toothpick. Why do I pronounce it toothpick? Okay,
They
my toothpick.
are yellow words.
Okay, like this. Then I just put it on like
And then when
like so. Well, okay. Let me just put my toothpick. Where should I put my toothpick? Just put it there. Okay. Well, that's a whoop. So I just put red food coloring because red plus white equals pink. Am I right?
Yeah, and what color do you want it to be?
Hot pink. So I'm gonna add more on the. What else will you be doing? Stay at home playing Roblox, Among Us, and watching TikTok. Oh yeah.
I'll be sitting down at home playing Roblox and playing Among Us with watching TikTok. That's not hot pink. Like, let me help.
I can do it myself.
Okay.
Like Victoria, why don't you trust me?
Cause
Uh-oh. I just spilled.
I'll give you an F. Now.
No, don't give me F.
Oh my god.
I think my slime is gonna be red. I need gloves. I need gloves. I have school tomorrow. I mean day after tomorrow, but whatever, I still have school.
Let me help. Give me.
And teacher's gonna check my hands.
Teacher, don't check my hands.
Let me help.
Y'all are gonna. Blood.
Drop dead gorgeous. Ooh, ah. Look at my slime. It's drop dead gorgeous.
Let me help. Give me.
Ooh, ah.
OMG.
My slime is becoming dark pink. And
Why is your slime being like hot pink?
let me just rub it more.
Don't rub it. You can dab it.
Dab it.
Oh my god.
I made a big mess. And blood. If you don't subscribe, I'm gonna go to your home and make all your slime or your bed filled with blood.
You mean red?
Whatever. Okay, I don't know what to say. Look at my hands.
Let me help. Teacher will kill you.
My teacher won't kill me. Okay.
She'll rock on you.
My teacher loves me, and today she gave me free food at school. How you like that?
I don't like that.
It's hot pink.
It's not hot pink yet.
It's almost.
It's not pink.
So guys, as you see, still has a little bit red spots because I add too much red. Stop it, please, Victoria. Dropped it. Ow.
Drop that out.
That's so dangerous.
Where's your container? I'll go get one container.
This is a big slime. I don't know if it could fit in that container. Okay, I'm gonna be smart and roll it first before I fit it in the container like Victoria didn't think of doing that.
You want label? No label.
No label.
No label. Okay.
Dropped it, gorgeous.
Here is a no label.
Okay. So,
You have to add.
I don't want to mix anymore and I like this color, so yeah. Okay.
Big balls or tiny balls?
Tiny is
Foam
here.
balls. Foam balls. Foam, not, you know what I'm talking about? Like,
Not balls.
not balls. Not balls. Okay. Put how much you want first time. Put a lot. Okay, that should be enough.
Bro, I'm not a baby. I told you how many times, and you don't believe me.
Okay, now I can say that again.
It's my turn.
Oh my god.
Lucky my slime is a big slime. Oof. This.
You mix first.
Let me sit this.
Does it feel hard?
No, it's like stretchy and wiry inside. So see you guys when I'm done mixing this. So guys, I'm done mixing and it's so pretty. Now I'm gonna add my set. I already chose not like Victoria. She came unprepared, and I'm just gonna put some drip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Wait up.
7, 8, 9, 10. I can count.
Why you put 10 drop? What color? What do you use? Bubblegum, let me guess.
Yes, it smells so good. You can smell it.
Oh my god.
It smells so good.
Hurry. I need to rush you.
So guys, this is my finishing one. At least I did it faster than Victoria.
Oh, I did it in 11 minutes. I did it in 15 minutes.
I made a big bubble. So guys, I think this is a little too big to fit in my container. So I'm just gonna make it fit. Okay. At least I'm smarter than Victoria. Head goes first.
Okay, you done?
I'm almost putting it in. Do you think it could fit? Oh, that's a big crack noise. I'm just scared that this container breaks. That's all I'm scared of. I need to get a pencil and fit this in. So guys, I put them in separately, and you can see all the separate lines there. And I have some extra slime. I made too much. And yeah, just leave it there and I'm gonna play with it. Ah, I can't see all the lines. See the light of the sky and the sea, it calls me. I'm the one now. So this is my finished product. So guys, this is my first time I made off camera, and this is the second one. I really like both, but I like this better. So how's yours, Victoria? Okay, this is Victoria's old one and it's quite hard. How's your new one going? This is Victoria's new one and old one. I don't think there's much of a difference. Just a little bit lighter. But yeah. Here is a hot cake that Victoria made with my extra slime. I took it. I'm gonna change the flavor. So yeah, bye guys. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and put that notification bell on to get notified whenever we post a new video, and give this video a big thumbs up. Hope you guys like this video, and bye guys. Peace.